Welcome to part 1 of ending sounds. Ending sounds are the sounds at the end of a word and are the last sounds that you hear or say when reading or listening to a word. Just as we did in beginning sound discrimination, I'm going to say 3 words. 2 of them end with the same sound, and 1 of them will end with a different sound. I want you to tell me which one is not like the others. So, for example, here are 3 words: wolf, chief, march. Which word is not like the others? The word that is not like the others is march. March ends with ch, while wolf and chief both end with f. March is not like the others, so the answer is march. Let's do some practice of our own. Your first set of words are rub, rake, web. Which word is not like the others? Rake is not like the others because rake ends with the k sound, while rub and web both end with b. So the answer is rake. Next group: ask, back, car. Which one is not like the others? Car is not like the others. Ask and back both end with k, while car ends with r. Car is not like the others, so the answer is car. Our next set: bench, band, bird. Which one is not like the others? Bench is not like the others because it ends with ch. Band and bird both end with d. Next set: mug, grab, fog. Which one is not like the others? Grab is not like the others because it ends with b. Mug and fog both end with the g sound. Our last set of words for this: crate, kick, duck. Which one is not like the others? Crate is not like the others because it ends with the t sound. Kick and duck both end with k. That is the end of part 1 of ending sounds discrimination. We will see you again in part 2.